Hello guys, good morning and welcome to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. So by the title of the video you already know that today I am going on a package tour once again. At this point I think KSRTC and KSTTC should sponsor my channel, but that's a long way to go. Okay, so the package cost is only 551 rupees and they will take me around 5 places here in and around Bangalore. And the last destination will be Isha Foundation or the Adiyogi statue. So yeah, very excited to start this journey. Now my bus timing is 11:02, so 11:02 a.m. So we are going from Majestic bus station, which is also called the Kempegowda bus terminal. So that is where our bus is going to stop, and they will not have any other pickup points like we had in our previous Mysore tour. Everyone has to board the bus from the Majestic or the Kempegowda bus terminal, and yes, we'll see what happens, how the tour turns out. Guys, if you are new to What's Up Tanuka, don't forget to subscribe. Many of you watch the videos but do not subscribe, so please subscribe to my channel to watch more content like this. So guys, we have reached Majestic bus station right now, and this is actually a very busy bus terminal here in Bangalore, one of the largest bus terminal here in Bangalore, because all the intercity and intra-city buses go from here. So I can see our bus is standing right there, but the exact bus number I'm yet to find. Guys, this is our bus. This is the bus, and you can see a lot of blue buses right here. These are the BMTC buses. Okay guys, so the first place that we have stopped at is Kanive Basavana Temple or Kanive Basaveshwara Temple, and they have given us 10 minutes to visit this place. This is a small temple which is very close to Nandi Hills, only 12 kilometers from Nandi Hills, and we can actually see Nandi Hills while we were coming here. So guys, if you don't know your bus number, you can also identify it by the timing that is written here. So this is 11:02, and that is how we identified our bus. But you also get a message on your phone maybe like 20-25 minutes before the bus leaves. So yeah. Okay guys, so we are here at Bhoga Nandeshwara Temple or Bhoga Nandeshwara Swami Temple. This is a huge area, so we are going to go around and see everything here. They gave us 25 minutes time here, so we are going to utilize that time very well. And let's go. Guys, this is a chariot kind of thing that we have. I can hear the temple bells from here. And far away we can also see Nandi Hills, if you see. Okay guys, so this temple is actually dedicated to Lord Shiva, but you do have idols of different other gods and goddesses here as well. And this is a very old temple. The architecture here is as well very beautiful. There are intricate carvings on everything. So yeah, this was a very beautiful place to stop by. This was our second destination. We still have a little bit of area to cover and then we'll go out of here. Guys, so we are here at our third stop for today, which is Sri Vishveshwara's tomb and museum, so Samadhi and museum. So I'm just going to there right now. We just have to walk a little bit to get to that place, and there are some constructions going on here. Here for some sugarcane juice. Sri Vishveshwaraya was a very learned man. He also won the Bharat Ratna from Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I did not vlog anything inside because it was not allowed. It was written right at the entrance that photography, videography is strictly prohibited. So guys, the art and the artist. Guys, so our bus started at around 11:15 and around 2:40 they stopped for lunch at Hotel Sri Vaishnavi Grand. So we have already covered 3 places and 2 places are still remaining. And yeah, everyone has actually left for the bus. We were the last ones. So we will quickly go to the bus and head on to our 4th destination for the day. Okay guys, so we are here at our 4th destination, which is Ranganatha Swami Temple. Now this reminds me of the Chamundeshwari Temple and the Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple that I saw in Mysore. The architecture is exactly the same, but it seems like this is under construction and there's still some work remaining to be done, or some additions are being done. But this is lovely. This is the same architecture that I saw there. Guys, so reached Adiyogi, which is the final place in this package, and it's so beautiful. The weather is really beautiful. It has been cloudy since morning, but thank you to the rain clouds, it did not rain, at least not when we were out. It was raining when we were in the bus coming here to Adiyogi. But yeah, it's so nice. It's windy. Also guys, this vlog is very special for me because I just hit 500 subscribers in this vlog. So thank you to everyone, because for a small channel like me, it's very important, and this is a milestone for my channel, and I'm really happy, and I love you guys. Had some lovely mirchi bhaji and aloo bhaji and a horrible tea. And now I'm having this. I don't know what this is called, but I remember having this when I was a child. And yeah. Guys, that is a temple right there, and you can see that you have line here. So I'm trying to go in now. We'll have to wait in line for some time. So guys, this is the Trishul, and that's Nandi, and we have Mahadev right here. So guys, I was watching an interview of Sadhguru where he said that the one in Coimbatore and the one here in Bangalore, the Adi Yogi statue, is actually of the same height. It's 112 feet, I believe, because there is some significance to it. So if you think that the one in Coimbatore is larger and all, it's not. Maybe in the length it's larger, but its height is actually the same. And okay guys, so we are done with the light and sound show, and now we are heading back to Majestic bus station. As I said, there are no stops in between. It does not have that facility, so we are going to be dropped off at Majestic bus station, and from there we'll take a cab or an auto home. So sir drove us for over 200 kilometers today, and ma'am was also there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And we are getting down at Majestic now. This is where they have dropped us. They are my 498th and 499 subscribers, so thank you guys. Nice to meet you guys. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. It was such a nice trip, you know. In 551 rupees I got to see 5 places, and you know, because Adi Yogi is a little out of the city, many people wonder how do they come here. Please take this package. You get to see 4 other places along with Adi Yogi, and it's a really comfortable journey. I really enjoyed it. And yes, I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this package or about the trip, and I will definitely try to answer that. And yes, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to What's Up Tanuka. Like, share and subscribe.